Would you like to make your next year your best year? Why ever not? Hi there. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Aparna. I'm a coach. Every week, I bring to you tips, tricks, tools, and hacks that can help you upskill your life. If this interests you, do consider subscribing to my channel on YouTube and following me on various social media handles that is flashing on the screen right now and are also linked in the description below. Live for today, plan for tomorrow, party tonight. This is my favorite phrase from college days. If you Google this phrase, it says that Drake has said it, but that's not true. I read this phrase when I was in college in the early 90s. I read it on a poster in Archie's Gallery, I think, where they had Dennis the Menace on top of the poster. So Drake definitely did not say it. Anyways, I love this phrase because it shows how we need to be mindful about the life that we are leading today, keeping in mind or a keen eye on the future that we want to have. And as we begin to close this year, I am reminded of this phrase once again. It doesn't matter how good or bad this year was. All you need is an intention to make your next year your best year. And how exactly can you do that? I'm here to tell you. I will share with you 3 questions that I want you to reflect on. But before you reflect on these questions, I want you to take 1 or 2 hours away from your busy schedule to do this activity. Believe me, it is worth it. And you totally deserve it for yourself and your dreams, right? So what I'm going to share with you today is something that I want you to do before you set your yearly goals. I have a separate playlist on goal setting, which I will leave in the description below, which you can use to set your goals. But this video is something you would do before you move ahead with your goal setting. I said it twice because I'm emphasizing that. So here are the 3 questions you should ask. Question 1. Do I have any dreams I want to achieve? Question 2. Am I okay with not achieving them? Question 3. How will my life be if I do achieve them? Now these are very powerful questions and I want you to take some time to ponder on. Let me repeat it for you. Do I have any dreams which I want to achieve? Am I okay with not achieving them? How will my life be if I do achieve them? Your response to each of these questions will determine what your next year goals should be. I want to add a disclaimer here. It's okay to not have goals and dreams in life. As long as you're happy and do not want any progress, it's okay. Don't let anyone tell you that it is not okay. What should matter the most to you is your happiness and fulfillment from the life that you're leading right now. But if you have some dreams and want to achieve them, now is the right time to start. Don't wait too long for them. Remember, it doesn't matter what your past was. You can rewrite the future if you have a will and determination and of course a big dream. I'm running an online workshop, Roadmap 2021, which will handhold you through this journey. Join me there if you need my help to make your next year your best year. The registration link is provided in the description. And if you don't need my help, I hope the 3 questions I shared with you today is going to give you some leeway for you to get ahead. We can always chat up if you need any kind of clarification or questions for me. Do leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. Do hit a like button and share it with your friends. And I'll see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself.